In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to register your Electrolux product warranty. First thing you need to go to the official Electrolux website. Once you are on the website, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Down here, you will find product registration. Go ahead and click it. After clicking it, you will be taken directly to the register your product. Here Electrolux will tell you what information you need. So as you can see, model number, application delivery date, serial number, and 3 minutes of your time. Now let's start registering the product. So we will type in right here the code. So as you can see, it's one surface unit. Then here you will need to choose where you bought that. So we can choose whatever here. I will choose we will need to put in serial number. So if you don't know how to find it, you can click here for where can I find my model number, and then choose whatever you have, or the same with serial number, and then it will show up where you can find it. So once you enter the model number and serial number, select your product from the list. If you get it, so as you can see, we get a list. Like that. After that, okay, so we now need to put in the date, and when you have here all filled up, click here next on the right side. Now you will need to put in your details, and after that your product will be successfully registered and your Electrolux warranty will be activated. And that's it. That's how you register your Electrolux warranty. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.